Hey, welcome to Easy InstaMeals. I am Amanda. Today we're going to be making chili in the Instapot. We'll go over our list of ingredients. I'll have the ingredients and measurements on the side of the screen. So first we have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 15 ounces of chili beans, 15 ounces of dark red kidney beans, 10 ounces of tomatoes with chili. We have an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of beef broth. We're going to be using 1 pound of 90% lean beef, 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, and 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, in addition to 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 medium onion. Alright, so let's go ahead and chop this onion. Alright, so we're all done chopping the onion. We're going to go ahead and add the olive oil to the Instapot. And again, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Go ahead and put that all in there. On the Instapot, we're going to choose the sauté button. Alright, now that we've got the onions chopped, we're going to go ahead and add it to the 1 tablespoon of olive oil I have already in the Instapot heating up. We're going to cook these for about 5 minutes, just until they're nice and soft. Our onions are soft, little golden brown. We're going to go ahead and add our ground beef. Drop that in there. Break it up. It shouldn't take too long to cook. So while we're waiting for this to brown, let's go ahead and open up the cans. Okay, so we've got all of our cans open. The only one that we're going to drain is the red kidney beans. We're going to drain those and rinse them off before we add everything in. The ground beef is almost done cooking, and soon we'll be able to put everything all together. So I've gone ahead and drained the grease from the meat. We're going to go ahead and add in our dry ingredients, the seasoning. Alright, so first we're going to add our chili pepper, ground cumin, garlic powder, sugar. We're going to add our tomato paste, Alright, we're going to mix that all together. You want to mix it really well together. This is what makes chili chili. All those flavorful seasonings all mixed together well. Alright, so we've got that all mixed together really well. It's smelling delicious. Okay, I'm going to also add our salt and pepper before we move forward. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using kosher salt. Whatever. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add our beef broth. I use 50% less sodium, but you can use whatever kind you would like. 1.5 cups of beef broth. We're going to go ahead and add in tomatoes, our beans, chili beans first. I did drain the kidney beans. Put those in. And tomato sauce. Alright, we've got our chili all put together. Let's give that a good mix. That looks like chili. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the lid on. Lock it. We're going to go ahead and choose sealing. So I had it on keep warm. I'm going to choose cancel, and then I'm going to choose chili. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Be careful when removing the lid. It smells so good. So hot. Okay, the chili's done.